What's up, homies? This is 3 Minute Thursday. I am your host, Faren, your fashion guru. And today we are going to be using this elastic thread. Where would you use this elastic thread, you ask? Good question. This elastic thread is mainly used on those very trendy smock tops. They look something like these. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to install this thing. First things first, you need elastic thread and you need your bobbin, because the elastic thread actually goes onto your bobbin and not on your machine. Okay, that's important. Another important point is to wind your bobbin by hand, because your machine has a tendency to pull the thread and you don't want the elastic to stretch. Do not stretch your elastic when you're putting it on your bobbin. Gently just winding your bobbin with your elastic thread. As you see, this is me not stretching. What the elastic does actually stretches out when you're sewing and it resumes, so it just shears up all your fabric. Automatic shearing. You don't have to do the whole basting, bobbin, all that stuff. We're gonna thread the machine. All right, we got our tail here. Then you take your bobbin and you place it in your bobbin case as usual. Stick it in there. If there is too much stretch, you may have to change the tension on your bobbin case. Put that under there, install that, and bring up the bobbin thread. Stick your fabric underneath the sewing machine at your first point. Change the stitch length to almost 0. This is because you shouldn't be back stitching elastic thread. The lower tension helps tighten it's almost like a back tack, but without back tacking. So once you do 2 stitches with a lower stitch length, change it to a 2.5 or a 3 stitch length right away, okay? We're just gonna follow our line all the way to the end. Check that out. Whoa, instant shear. This is the top thread. This is the elastic thread. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. It's stretchy. Okay, PS, if you wanted to do a smock top and you're doing the second row, the trick is to stretch your fabric while putting in the second row, okay? That's really important. This segment is not about making a top, it's about the application of the actual elastic. So if you stayed until this end, another tip there for you. So thanks. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. This is your fashion guru signing off.